Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the problem number 9, which is the sum of the cubes of a digit. In earlier class we said about sum of the squares of a digit, which is similar to that, but there is a minor changes will be there. If you are not yet watching what is the sum of squares of a digit, just go for video and look at that. If you have any doubt, just comment me below. Let's go for the intuition. What is the sum of these cubes of the digit? Okay, and what you will say right now? If I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. 1 cube is you will be having 1. For 2 cube you will get 8. For 3 cube you will get 7, 28, 29, 30, 36, right? We are going to see that it would be 36, right? That is the thing, right? Yeah. Okay, let's write the code for that. Okay, first we need to, already we know the intuition, which is similar to the sum of the squares of a or digit, which is similar. And what is the intuition? We will see that at first and later we discuss that. Okay, yeah. First, what we have to do, we need to take up the last digit. Okay, we need to take the last digit, which is 3. And what we have to do, after taking that, take the sum variable which is initiated with the 0, and we need to take up the last digit. And what is the base condition, which is same for all, like number must be greater than 0. And take out the last digit and then do the sum. Okay, sum, then perform the cube operation, which is 3 cube, you will get 27. Then perform the sum operation, then remove the last digit, remove the digit. Next, if you go for 2, okay, if you go for 2, same, 2 cube is 8 and 27 plus 8, which is previously 27, right, Sam? And next, after performing the sum operation, just remove the last digit. Okay, and let's take the lowest digit, which is 1. Okay, and let's cube it, it should be 1. And after that, 27 plus 8, you are able to see 35, right? 35 plus 1, 27, 35, yeah, 35 plus 1, you are going to see the 36 as a sum. And remove the last digit. At final, the number will become 0, which is come out of the while loop, because the number must be greater than the 0, right? Yeah, let's go for the writing the code. Okay, yeah. First, taken the number is 1, 2, 3, and let's take the int of sum is equals to 0, which is initiated with the sum, because we need the sum of the cubes, right? Yeah, and we need to take the base condition that number must be greater than 0. Yes, it's greater than 0. And what is the first step we are going to do? We need to take the last digit, that is n modulo by 10. That will give the last digit of 3. And after giving that, sum is equals to sum plus, we need to get the cube, right? If you are using only 2 reminders here, you will get the squares, but if you are increasing one more thing, you are going to see the cubes of the digit. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3, 27 is added to sum. And just remove the last digit. How will you be able to remove? N is equals to n by 10 is used to remove the last digit, right? This is only the case. Yeah, so I think you had been understand if you watched some of the squares of digit. Okay, let's dry run the code. Okay, yeah, let's dry run the code. Let's take orange. I have taken num. Yeah, I have taken num. And what is the condition? We are going to have like a while loop, right? You will be having the while loop, which is for the base condition, and then we are initiated with the sum. Okay, and after the sum, what is that? We have the remainder, which you will take the remainder case, and then we are doing the sum is equals to sum plus 3 times of reminders. Okay, and after that, last step is that removing the last digit by n is equals to n by 10. Yeah, this is all about dry run includes. And let's take number by 1 to 3. 1 to 3 must be greater than 0. Yes, it's greater than 0. Initially sum is 0. 123 modulo by 10, that will give us 3 as the remainder, right? Yes. And what is initially sum? 0. 3 into 3 into 3, which is 27, right? The sum is 27. And 1 to 3 by 10, you are going to, it will remove the 3 and that will give 12 as the final number. Then what is the next step we are going to see? And number is updated, right? Number is updated to 12. Is 12 greater than 0? Yes, 12 is greater than 0. What is the sum here? We have sum is equals to 27. 27 modulo by 10. What you are going to get? You will get 7. Last digit will picked up. And sorry, sorry. I mean, we have to take the number, right? Which is 12 modulo by 10, and we need to take the 2, right? Yeah, we have taken the remainder as 2, and which is previously 27 plus 2 cube, right? 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 cube, that you will get 35. And after that, 12 by 10, that will remove the 2 and gives the updated number as 1. Okay. And after that, what is our next step? And this is the first step is 1. 1 is greater than 0. Yes, 1 is greater than 0. And what is updated sum? We have to write 35. And 1 modulo by 10, which is a numerator less than, so you will be able to see the 1. And which is 35 into 1 cube, you are going to get 35, right? Sorry, you are going to get 36, which is the sum operation, which is this will give the 1, right? Yeah. And 1 by 10, you are going to see 0 0.1, that will take out the 0. And after this, what is the last step? It's 0. 0 greater than 0? No, it will come out of the loop. Okay, that is our intuition, dry run, and writing the code format. Okay, and let's open the Eclipse. Okay, and I have taken the scanner class and I have taken the input from the user and stored that in the num variable. And just I have to write the base condition like entered number must be greater than 0. Yes. And take the every last digit. How will you take that? Number modulo by 10. And after that, sum is equals to sum plus remainder into remainder into remainder. We want cubes of the number, right? And number is equals to number by 10, that is used to remove the last digit. Okay. And after that, we need to print the sum of the cubes of the digit, right? So you can write like sum of the cubes of digit, okay, which is num, sorry, sum. Okay, if I run the code, it was asking 1 2 3, as I was entered the number which is 36, right? Already we performed it. And if I try run the code, sorry, if I run the code like 1 1 1, what is the sum? 1 cube 1 cube 1 cube is always 3, right? Because we are doing sum 1 4 5. It's very difficult to 5 square 125, 125 plus 4 cube 4 4 16, 16 4 64, right? 125 64, then plus 189, and then 190. Yeah, you got it, right? This is a example for the sum of the cubes. And that's all about today video recording the sum of the cubes of a digit. And if you have any doubt, just comment below. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share to our channel.